Yeah, guys. How are you doing, guys? Yeah, let me hope you're doing well. Yeah, nageza kwenda ngo nze live abo kugira ngo iyi n'ikintu kiri tukureba nitwe tukareba ngo arembera zitakugenda umisho konjo musito turiyo mubwire bo kwenda ngo at least government yitwe hinduke twenda government yite hinduke kandi banywano banje kubasa kubandi bampura kubasa kubandi bahoro rimoro kosa nashaka kugira ngo koso rimoro abo ko abantu bingi munonga nibagezaho kutekaho umushango batekaho umushango aho munyankora ari kubarusha ngo akibe nanke ebintu by'abantu batureba nkabatine makuru natureba nkabashuma kunkaba kuriyo mu government niberira itwito turuferamu tubonaboneramu tuyamanga tuyo tubonabona so banywano banje nimbasha bakaruru nyoni mbasha bakaruru akaruru ka Bob Wine no turukwenda twebe mbere niyo generation yitu government ekakore byakozire fine tugiye bazie ekakora umurimo guyakozire then nitureka tweteremu amani turebeke mu government yitu ya to benefitinga twena turebe government ya to benefitinga twena abantu banje bantungamo nimanyi kugenda misho abantu bakajara kabare rukunjiri okoko western Uganda nimukimanya abakuriyo mu government nibo bingi abakuriyo mu government ni barebe kanka bingi konka percentage nice munonga 2%, you know no bari mu government ituzo tubonabona, you know abana bitu ntuje kubagambira che exactly, you know abana bitu ntuje kubagambira che ezishaha ntuje kubagambira che mbere ndeba parliament yesterday ndebire biku ebiryo mu parliament nahura nagire nako ezishaha bari no forming a constituency ezentia auto atanje kushoma tukatu in districts atano nibiri buri kimwe cyona kikana kitamburaje district atano nibiri ziti nizo zawe ziri mu Uganda konkeze shatu in district 10 nezindi buri MP ariko ari mu parliament isente zikumutambura une sente nyingi abantu bari yo babonabona abantu bakirare voyo kurya ibahaturo abantu bakirare voyo kurya ibahaturo abanyankori banywani banje. What are we doing really? What are we going to tell our children? Because at the end of the day abana bitu baratuvunana baratugambira ngo bantu mwe muri mukorachi mukani mukorachi nsi kubane sisikarete mukani mukorachi. What will you answer, my brother, my sister? What will you answer? What will you answer? Omwana yaemera kakujja ngo enso babire ne bajiba okaba nokorachi. What will you answer? This is the time for us to think ahead. This is the time for us to think ahead. Murebe bikugenda misho mu Uganda mubirebe abagiga n'abagiga aboro naboro nibaza kweza batuje mu tukora nitukundo gukora kandi nyoye kikunsasa kambagambire je abanyankore bagenzi banje ekiri kunsasa kiri ngo buri muntu wene urukore wo munyankora hari amanyango munyankora arije turya mahanga turiyo ntuhasoringa kunkanoza kushango umuntu ariyo nakugira ngwimo abanyankore nimwe mutwibe nimwe mukozire kikonka uko kuba noreba government iwo munyankoro rya acheyo government kuyambireki banzungambire government kuyambireki. Tell me the truth. Government kuyambireki bakagenda bajya ngo bariyo baza kugira bati ngo baza bareta UPE wari to mwana wa Kampala ari mu kanasare umwana wa P1 omukampara omwana wa P1 okamutwara n'omwana wa P7, actually not P7, even omwana wa senior 4 omashomero ga USA okamutwara n'omwana wa P1 ashomire Kampala P1, omwana wa P1 na mu reasoning out totally. Wachireba kandi noza kureba oreba ngu system egi bakaji building up intentionally. Wachenga system bakaji building up intentionally bakaba nibenda kwita education system efere chimu, you know, tukakura omuhambo background tukatutine sente zikaba zitaro abazire bagezeho batware tero kubatero batuteka ishomero ki konka. What shall we tell our children, you know? Ezishano za kushango omuzire aine family atakubasa kurebera family ye, omushija nareka o family ye ina bana abarikawo aturuka agenda, obworo bichoboro turyaho mahanga konka nozo mu supermarket. Really Uganda eyitukumanya ngu ebesinjire ahagurukare cyabanywana banje, ezesha irokoze omu western ebitoche ni bingi, ebitoche ni nyamwingi konke ebitoche obiri nyamwingi. Government omwanya go kwata at least kagenda ekasupportinga abantu mu cyaro ebitoche biyone bifoturo ekabigura abo mu cyaro at least na omuhinji akafuna hakuyafuna, you know, omuhinji akafuna hakuyafuna akajata atireka ngende government ekajeta kanjende ngure abashubuzi bariya ndetera abantu mu Kampala baryemere. Government yirukanga yatandika kuronda obuhunga buzunzire mukabureba buri muntu wena kabureba obuhunga buzunzire bo atandika kubigabira abantu. And yet in the villages there are very many. The matoke, I'm talking about western because it's what I know, you know. Now if Uganda is based on agriculture, why don't you go at least in Ankole, you know, and you set up at least a processing plant? You add the value on matoke instead of getting that matoke and you just cut it for cows to eat, you know. For example, western ne producing amati tuina mateganuzire mnonga ati wakwata nke choma chiprocessinga chiku adding value amatenko mu western chikagakorwa nko buhunga wagateko mu omunsi ezindi amategitu garistede, wagateka ho value omuntu yanywa amategitu ngaba garistede konka no shango omuntu ayinente yashohozo tutetweye litabajigura shinje bibiri bishatu. So what do you expect really? Omuntu ararwa yorya aherezo mwana at least school fees nko omuntu ari school, you know, no shanga nko muzire atakubasa raising a school fees for his child, you know. Amazima garingu, this is the time for us to see our generation and we think beyond, you know. Kumura yo mwarwanire fine mukarwana twikiriza mukarwana mwebare kurwana kunga chi mutu yambireki abanyankori ito twenye tuyontu suffering because of you. Wherever we go abanyankori nibaturenke bisirani nibaturenka bine, but we don't have, you know, we don't have. This is the time guys. Ntungamo nyoni ngambera abanyantungamo nakosori moru abingi nibakosoru jungu nibakosa ki nibakosoru Uganda. Yes, fine, ntukukozesa taro umuntu utakoruza Uganda, but specifically I have said this and I'm talking to Western Uganda. This is the time. Abantu abari mu bwebembezi, abantu abari mu bwebembezi boni beyigusa taro omwana owo mutegeki ari kubasa kushomeseza mu ishomero lya bona bashome taruho, because they know there is nothing that is in bona bashome. There is nothing, you know. We have reached the extent that the government has pushed us on the wall. Everyone is crying for the government. Really? Is it normal for a government to find that everyone is crying government? Really? It is not normal. It is not normal. This is the time the government to act. If the government is not helping us, let us help ourselves. This is our generation. You know, this is our generation. We need to help ourselves. We need to liberate ourselves. We don't have anything, but it's the time now to sensitize people, to show them the clear way. They go, they vote wisely. Wachenga, takara umuntu uturukwanga, tutukwanga government. Konkano kujangwito tuyontu suffering because of the government, you know. Abanyankore tuyontu bonabona because of the government. Abanyankore ni mamangu nito tuyom government. But we are not benefiting. You know, we are not benefiting. That's the reality. We are not benefiting. This is the time, guys. Nimbashabaka ruruka honorable Robert Kyagulanyi no Muganda konkano wa generation yitu no manya mujeza kwata mukero tetinjira tribalism. Tribalism is not going to help us. Omuntu wenu rukuba ine ekintu rukureba nakundi hanga ryeye tusheme kwantu bantu muhajira because it is going to benefit us all, you know. Nozo mwirwaro ezesha omuntu wawe nabasa kufero mikono because noza kuzo mwirwaro tarmi basi, you know. Esente COVID-19 ekija esente zone zeshuru mu Uganda bazirire zawo, you know. Bazirire zona zawo. So are we going to keep quiet really? If we are to die, let us die. But kwate batwite chimanyengu batwita then it because at the end of the day nothing you're going to tell your children, you know. What are you going to tell your children at the end of the day? There is nothing you shall tell your children. Ezisha amataka namataka abakungo mu government nibabinga abantu mercilessly okwate cyaro chiro habantu nkumutwaro obabinga bona bagenda, you know. People are becoming refugees in their own country. What is this? Are we going to see this and keep quiet? We do not have all that platform, you know. But this is the time we use every weapon that we have. We don't have guns, but we should tell them the facts. Because at the end of the day, you are not you are helpless. You are not helping even your children, you know. This is the time, you guys, this is the time. We have to raise up and see things critically and realize what is going on. And we help our country, we help our nation, we help our children, you know. For us, we have not benefited in this government. But at least let the government that we are going to create, let our children enjoy, you know. Omwana oyaiza kushoma, at least afuna karimu. Ezisha abana nibijache yebine degrees and degrees. Azomu chichoma harabo maharaba mbona bonesa, you know. And yet someone has gone to school. You know, someone has gone to school such that he can at least get something at the end of the day. He get a job and help his parents. Uganda, it's a nation whereby someone has to sell a land to take a child to school. You know, now you take a child to school, then at the end, yaiza kuheza esente zone zo mtiremu, then aije omubaharabu. Akorobu kuwa mbona woniseba mwiti. You know, you are seeing videos every day. Are we going to keep quiet? We are not going to keep quiet. This is the time to talk. You know, abanyankore mukore live zamani nibaza kura abashija abanibefura batakura. They are going to listen. You know, they are going to look for us to crucify us, to kill us. It is true. And they are killing people. It's true. They are killing them in broad daylight. You know, and no one is really persecuting them. Everyone is seeing what is going on, you know. Let us speak the facts, you know. Let us speak the facts, guys. Let us speak the facts. We see what is going on, you know. So obun bo bwira abanyankore banywani banje nabeshengereza mutere Kyagulanyi Robert Sentamu for president. It's what I want. Mwaba mtwira karuru echo nkiba kyawa. System yona ntuzagihindura. System tuzagihindura. Wachenga. Kandi ebintu bibire bashemikwani babigaruza. Yeah, bashemikwani babigaruza. That's the fact. Video yanje oberebwa omuntu omwe konka kachenge shonga yanje echo nkiba nkimara. Video yanje no yakorebwa omuntu omwe akachenge kindi kumanya nawe naza kugenda jongereyo ekihinduro ndijo ajongereyo ihindure ndijo twasigaza obwire bukiye kuhindura government. That's it. Taro raze kuzo mu rutaro kwate mundu tukuzimanye mbundu. But we are going to use our words, we are going to speak the facts, and people shall see, you know, people shall see and they will change their mind, you know. So nikokwe orabitware abitware. I'm not going to be apologetic in my words. Everyone is seeing what is going on, and this is the time. We have to change. That's the reality. We have to change. Abana babantu bashomire baryo mbiju by'abaharabu barino babonabona. You know, abana bashomire. You know, abantu bona bo mu western muchike manya ngwe ibintu bindu bugamba. It's a fact. You know, muchecking it's a fact. Omuntu nazabu herezo oshanga nko mu western ngambo mu western omuntu na ari ombwebembeze ayenda ngo bamuraminka ruhanga. You are not God, you know. You are not God, and we are not going to see these mistakes and we keep quiet. We cannot. Nyoti nyine chindi, but I'm seeing things nko muntu okuzira, you know. I'm seeing things. This is the time. Nyine baticha banje banchomise ngoma aho ngoma abashija banje abo kandi mbikiriza munonga. They could stand and you see opposing the government, you know. I love you, my teachers, Teacher Geoffrey, Teacher Wilba, Teacher Tofa. Mwimuche twinuri hanga. You are capable to lead, my guys. You are capable to lead. My teachers, you are capable to lead. You can see what is going on, you know. You can see what is going on. Raise up. Let us change the government, you know. You also enjoy abashomesa bashomizi. No shango mshomesa wa kushomisa ukazana umparament. Otakubasa na kumuteka tekaho umshomesa nazo ari nabona n'abana beyo. Shango mshomesa najwara kenda kamumwana we yazo mwishomere rindi, you know. Na uwe nkana chimanya azo bazum amashomera gando shanga nababona to see their children okay, you know. This is the time we need to raise up and see things, you know. We need to raise up and see things in the right way. This is the time. I'm not apologetic. I'm speaking my mind. We have a freedom of speech. I've not insulted anyone, but I've alerted people of what is going on, you know. So, ajuhurire urabata ajuhurire ajirechi konkora ajibase abase kugisindikira abandi bantu bagihurikize bachenga ninza kuba nimbukora mpora ndiyo nindonda karuru tubakunshashura tiri bakunshashura ninkundi hangari yani for God and my country. I'm Nazario.